Turning on inventory synchronization in 4Seller can support real-time updates of actual warehouse inventory to various online stores. Support the synchronization of inventory from proprietary, FBA, and third-party warehouses to stores, and support stores to configure inventory linkage at warehouse level to effectively avoid overselling. Before that, you first need to enter the listing settings page. After turning on auto association and created automatically, the listing synchronized to 4Seller will automatically be associated with inventory products or create new inventory products to associate with them. First, you need to create a product. Go to your inventory list and create a product SKU for simple products, configurable products, or bundle products. Let's take simple product as an example. Click on Create. Fill in all the product information and click Save to create a product SKU within 4Seller. Furthermore, match the SKU and product in the listing column. Click the Published list and match the SKUs of all the listings associated with the store. Find the link icon and click it. Search for the product SKU you just created and click Select Match, so that the products sold in your store will match the SKUs in 4Seller. Second, add the SKU to 4Seller's inventory. If you use proprietary warehouse, the first thing you need to do is to create your own warehouse. To do this, go to Inventory Setting, click on Create, fill in the basic information, and then click Save to create your 4Seller warehouse. Next, you need to add the product SKU to your inventory list. Go to the inventory list, click on Add Inventory, select your warehouse from the drop-down list, click on Add SKU, search for the product name or SKU, click Select, and save it. Fill in all the necessary inventory information and click Done to complete the process. The above operation is a method of manually adding inventory. In addition, you can also import inventory in batches. Click Import Initialize, and the operation box for importing inventory will pop up. You'll need to download the Excel template for importing inventory first. Upload the template with inventory information filled in, and click Import to import inventory in batches. Third, if you use an FBA warehouse, enter the inventory setting page, find 3PF warehouse, and click Create to add an FBA warehouse. It should be noted that when adding an FBA warehouse, you must first authorize the Amazon store in 4Seller. If the Amazon store is not authorized, you can first authorize the Amazon store on the Shop Management page. Click Inventory to enter the FBA page, click Sync Inventory to synchronize Amazon inventory to 4Seller, and then click Map to associate the SKU. Fourth, set up the inventory sync rule in the dashboard. You can sync inventory data based on the available or on-hand stock in 4Seller. Additionally, you can set the rule to automatically set the inventory of synced platforms to 0 when the available inventory in 4Seller falls below a certain quantity. This is useful when the product is not available due to other reasons, such as being damaged. You can select the corresponding platforms that are linked to your 4Seller account and then save the rule after setting up the inventory sync rules. After setting the inventory synchronization rules, you can view the synchronization records of inventory changes on the inventory sync page. It should be noted that each row represents the latest synchronized record of inventory changes for one SKU. Each main account can sync 30,000 times per day. If it exceeds 30,000 times a day, it will no longer be synchronized. It will be refreshed the next day. The inventory sync rule allows you to no longer worry about overselling issues. After an order is placed in one store, the inventory of other online listings with the same SKU will automatically decrease. Give it a try. Don't forget to like, follow our channel, and get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you are interested in 4Seller and think it is useful to you, then please leave yes in the comment area. This is Jolene. See you!